Hi everybody, it's Sam here from Frugalisama with another prize reveal for the hashtag Sew Frugal 22 challenge. The challenge is being held by myself and Rowan, the Yorkshire Sew Girl, over on Instagram, and it's to sew up a free pattern using your stash during the month of March, and the reveal date is on the 31st of March. And we've got over 70 vloggers giving you ideas and inspiration, and today is our girl Rowan's turn. Yay! So I'm looking forward to seeing what Rowan comes up with. And also along with Rowan, it's Anthea from Stitchmaker's Studio. So I hope you'll find something inspirational from both those videos. I've actually saved this prize to coincide with Rowan's video, because today's prize is from Beyond the Pink Door. It's a €35 voucher to spend at Beyond the Pink Door. So if you're not sure what Beyond the Pink Door is, that's an online fabric shop based over in Ireland. And she has said that she will post international actually for this one, so really generous offer. Quite a lot of the fabric bundles, they're not going to be posted internationally, but Andrea has agreed to do that. She's such a kind and generous soul. If you've not come across Andrea before, she does have her own YouTube channel and she's got lots of tutorials over there. And she does actually do a live every Sunday where you can actually look at the fabrics that she's got, and you can sort of say, I've seen this one online, can you show me, and what have you, and she gives you ideas of what to do. I've never seen any fabric store quite as engaged with their customers as Andrea is. She's got her own Facebook group, she's got the YouTube live, she does Zooms either once or twice a week with her customers as well. She's set up a real community, and I think that's really admirable. So she does have some really beautiful fabrics on her website. I think particularly her knits are really lovely, and if you go on there and have a look, I'll leave the link below to the website, you can have a look, but I'll show some of them whilst I'm talking. What her ethos is, she would never sell anything that she wouldn't want to use herself. I think that's the ethos of the shop, and that really shines through. So along with the fabrics, she's actually just started doing the Think Pink boxes, which is a subscription box. You don't get to know what fabrics that you're going to get, so you don't have to pay like a monthly subscription, you buy it when they're available. So Rowan managed to get one. She paid for it even though she's from Yorkshire. She managed to get one, and if you go over to her channel, you'll see her unboxing of the first Think Pink box, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm not actually sure whether the €35 you will be able to buy the next issues of the Think Pink boxes. She only issued 50 this time, so maybe she'll do more. Rowan did say that she'll hang fire and not buy them straight away this time, so you might be in with a chance, because I think they went in about 2 minutes last time. She didn't actually say that you could or you couldn't, because it's been a new thing, but I'm sure you'll find plenty of things to buy on Andrea's website. They're all absolutely gorgeous. So bob over to Rowan's channel and Andrea's channel as well. She's got lots of content on there, lots of tutorials and things like that, and she actually made a video for us for the challenge with some of her ideas, which is why Mandy and I are matching today. She was talking about matching fabrics, so putting knits and wovens together, and she was talking about this Galaxy Tee, for instance, where she was using like a knit bodice and then putting a woven on the sleeve, which I thought was a fantastic idea. I've actually got a full review of the Galaxy Tee, but I've got these two fabrics. This isn't knit and woven, but I thought these two would be fantastic for that, for the bodice, and that for the sleeve. And what I made with the leftover from the Galaxy Tee after I've made that one is the Badiane Tee, which is what I'm wearing now. And this is also a free pattern. That's a free pattern. This is a free pattern from Christelle Coud. And I did notice that Karina from Lifting Pins and Needles was contemplating on using this. And I thought I'd just mention it because the pattern is actually written in French. And I've actually done a little sew along for making this unusual neckline here, and it's just done a contrast binding there, but you can do the same colour. I've got a tutorial for that, and I've got a tutorial for translating it as well. So if you saw that over on Karina's video on, I can't remember what day it was, Tuesday perhaps, and you thought you might want to do it but you were a little bit frightened with having to translate it, I've got all the information in my video and I will link that at the end. So thank you so much to Andrea and Keris for such a lovely prize. I'm coming every day with a video and talking about a free pattern, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That will tell you when I've got new videos out, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.